Hello my dear students, myself is Chidanand. I am first degree black belt. Today I am going to take you a regular taekwondo session for yellow belt and green stripe children. So in this session we are going to learn or we are going to discuss about circuit training. Okay? Circuit training means it's a combination of different exercises. Okay? So today in this session I am going to perform 5 exercises in this circuit training. So before going to circuit training, I want to discuss what is the benefit of circuit training. So first benefit of circuit training, you can do circuit training in a small place. You don't need a big ground or a field for doing jogging and all. You can do the circuit training in a small place. The second benefit is, so you no need to going outside anywhere. You can do that in a room only. Okay, many people going. Especially in winter or rainy season, you can't go outside in winter due to the cold. Okay, in winter many people going for jogging, body will not get temperature easily. So by that time you can do circuit training in home or in a big, whichever big space you have, that means, or you can do in a small room also. In rainy season, due to the rain, you can't go outside for jogging. Even by that time you can do circuit training in home or in a small room. Okay. The third benefit is the body, you will get the very easy to improve your stamina, strength and the mobility of your body. Okay, and the fourth one is you will increase the fourth one is to build lean muscle development. Okay, many people like lean muscle development, and as well as you can burn your fat faster, or you can burn your calories faster in this circuit training. So these are benefits. Okay. Now I'm going to explain what is circuit training first. Okay. So see, you can see I am using marker. Okay. You can see dumbbells, small dumbbells. I use this is 1, and this is a 2. This is 3. This dumbbell is 4. Okay, and this is 5. So it depends on these dumbbells I am using as a marker. Okay, so that means here I kept 5 dumbbells, small dumbbells as a marker, means I am doing 5 exercises. So first what I will do, I am going to perform 5 exercises. Okay, in this circuit training. So it depends on you how much exercise you are choosing. If you are choosing 6 exercises, you can mark 6 place. Okay, if you are choosing 7, you can mark 7. If you are choosing 8, you can mark 8. Okay, 8 place. You can mark 8 place. Or if you want a discipline, like you can do the try. If you are using 3, like triangle, you can use pentagon. You can use hectagon, or you can use octagon. Like depends on your exercises. If you are doing 6 exercise, you can use hexagon. If you are doing 5 exercises, you can use pentagon. Here I have a very small place, so that's why I am using one marker here in the middle. Okay, children. So I am going to perform 5 exercises. Okay, in this. Okay. So first exercise push up. Okay. The second one is side sit up. Third one is tuck jump, and the fourth one is abdomen exercises, and the fifth one is sit and go for the front kick. Sit up front kick. You can call this sit up front kick. I first show one first exercise. Okay, it's called push up. This one first. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is push up. And the second one is side sit up. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And the fifth one is tuck jump. Okay, sorry. So the third one is tuck jump. You can touch your knee to your chest like 1, 2. Okay, this is tuck jump. Okay, and the fourth one is abdomen, or the fourth one is sit up front kick, like sit front kick, sit front kick. Okay, you can observe my body temperature getting faster. Okay, and my heartbeat also became fast. The fifth one is abdomen. This one. 1, 2. Okay, this is fifth one. So here what I will do, I will do all the exercise here I will do push up. Here in this marker, side sit up. Here tuck jump. Here sit and go sitting push up. Sorry, front kick here. Here abdomen exercises. Okay, children. So what I will do first, I will do 5. Okay, first what you should do, you have to do 5. 5 here, 1, 5 here, 5, 5, 5. Okay, later after completing 5 sets, you have to go for 10 push up. Here 10 side sit up. This right, this 10, this 10. Okay, means 20 here. Here 10 tuck jump. There 10 sit up for front kick. There 10 abdomen exercise, like that. After that again you have to go for reverse. 5, 10. If you want increase 5, 10, 15, 20. Again come back 20, 15, 10 and 5. So let's start. I'll show. Okay, I'll perform 5 and 10. Okay, ready? Jubi, Chirit, Kyugi, Taekwondo, Jubi. Okay, children, just observe how I am doing, and later you can practice in home. Let's start the session. Before going to do some stretching like this, just normal regular like this. Just stretch your body a little, how much you can. Okay, like this. Okay, let's start. First I'll start with the, I can see how I'm doing, then you can follow. First push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here side sit up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here tuck jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here sit and go faster. Sit up kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Abdomen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, again come back to start here. You have to go for 10 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, you got it, children? Very easy. You can observe me, my body getting hotter and hotter. My heart rate increased. Okay, very easy to burn your fat. Very easy method to increase your stamina. Okay, children. So this is the circuit training. So first hour I did 5, then later 10. Okay, after that again 15. If you want to do more, 15, 20. Then come back reverse. 20, 15, 10 and 5. Okay, so this is circuit training. You do as possible. First do 5, 10, then 10, 5. Okay, and keep it in mind. If you're feeling thirsty in between, you can have a sip of water. Again start the circuit training. Okay, ready? Straight.